cloud analogy. In this demo, I'm going to demonstrate a project that we did for one of our clients. The requirement of project was to build a payment page for the users who are using the OpenCTI package, which is basically a client product. So when the users install this package, he's redirected to this admin homepage, and here in the page we can see we have three tabs. The first one is the payment tab, second is the license management tab, and third is the configuration tab, which is basically meant for system admin to configure settings and features. So let's get back to the payment page and see what this page do and its purpose. So here in the page we can see we have two sections. One is the billing details and the other is the card details. So the user who wish to use the OpenCTI application has to fill out this detail, its billing details, all the card details. So after the user has filled all its details, he can simply hit the save button, which will let to create his record in the CRM. So basically the CRM is integrated with Salesforce for capturing the payment details like the billing details, the card details, and other user details as well, which we have in the license management tab. So let's switch to the license management tab. So here in the license management tab, basically we have this add user button. So when we hit on this add user button, and a modal opens up, and here a user can add other users as well, so that these users can also be a part of using the features that are provided by the application. So I can search over here the user I want to add, and when we add a user, the user is created again in the CRM as a sub-user. So all this integration process was done using SOAP callouts. Next we have this configuration tab. In the configuration tab we have an interface like this, where we have settings section, features, dispositions, and configuration of base object section. So from here the user can simply change the settings he wish to. He can add dispositions and allow features for his application. Also he can configure the base objects and add new objects as well in the row. So this tab was basically meant for system admin, where system admin can simply configure the settings and features we like to use for his application. So that was all in this demo, and I hope you will like it. Thank you.